1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 vs Z Flip 7, which one should you buy? Full review. 2. Galaxy Z Fold 7 vs Fold 6 charging test, which folds faster? 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 vs Z Flip 7, which one should you buy? Full review. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 pulls off an engineering miracle. It finally feels like a regular smartphone. This might sound underwhelming at first, but when you consider the immense technical hurdles of creating a reliable folding device, that normal experience is actually revolutionary. And here's where it gets controversial. Despite being the 7th generation in Samsung's foldable lineup, this $2,000 device still hasn't convinced mainstream users to embrace the category. So what makes this model different? Unlike its predecessors, the Z Fold 7 is noticeably thinner and lighter while eliminating many previous compromises. For example, the hinge mechanism now allows smoother one-handed operation, and the crease visibility is reduced, two pain points that previously deterred buyers. But there's a critical twist: the compromises that do remain are strategically chosen. Samsung has prioritized features for everyday users over niche enthusiast demands. Think about this: the missing elements, like certain Pro camera modes or expandable storage, are far more likely to frustrate tech purists than your average social media scroller or casual photographer. Does this mean Samsung is abandoning its core tech fans to chase mass appeal? Let's debate. Is the Z Fold 7's normal phone feel worth the premium price when foldables still haven't gone mainstream? Do you think cutting enthusiast features to please casual users is a smart move? Share your perspective in the comments. We are genuinely curious where you stand on this. 2. Galaxy Z Fold 7 vs Fold 6 charging test, which folds faster? Get ready for a charging showdown. We are comparing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, to see if their charging speeds live up to the hype. But here's the twist: despite having identical battery capacities and charging speeds on paper, these phones don't always perform the same in real-world tests. Our tech expert, Ben from Lover of Tech, put these foldable phones to the test, along with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, to find out the truth. And the results might just surprise you. First, let's talk about battery health. Ben ensured that all three phones had 100% healthy batteries, so no degradation issues affected the outcome. Despite different battery cycle counts, the phones were on an even playing field. And here's where it gets interesting: asterisk. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its 5000 mAh battery, charged the fastest using a 45W charger. However, its speed was slower than expected, which could be an anomaly. But let's focus on our main contenders. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Fold 6 had a close race. Here's how their battery levels stacked up at 15-minute intervals. 15 minutes. Both Folds and the S25 Ultra reached 29%. 30 minutes. Galaxy Z Fold 7, 54%. Galaxy Z Fold 6 to 54%. 45 minutes. Galaxy Z Fold 7, 74%. Galaxy Z Fold 6 to 70%. 60 minutes. Galaxy Z Fold 7, 89%. Galaxy Z Fold 6 to 85%. 75 minutes. Galaxy Z Fold 7, 95%. Galaxy Z Fold 6 to 93%. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 took approximately 1 hour and 26 minutes to fully charge, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 finished in 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, the Fold 7 has a slight edge in charging speed, even though their specs are nearly identical. But wait, there's more. Ben's video also reveals some intriguing temperature data. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 ran slightly cooler than the Fold 6 during charging, which could be a significant factor in its faster charging time. Check out the video below for a deeper dive into the temperature data and detailed results for all three phones. You won't want to miss this. And this is the part most people miss: charging times can vary, and anomalies can occur. So, while these results are fascinating, they might not always be consistent. It's a reminder that real-world performance can differ from what's on paper. So, what do you think? Are you Team Galaxy Z Fold 7 for its slightly faster charging and cooler temperatures? Or do you prefer the Galaxy Z Fold 6 for other reasons? Let's discuss in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these foldable powerhouses.